To fix a problem where your Soundcore Liberty 4NC won't reset, first you will need to open the case, then pay attention to the LED lamp right here. When you cannot see any LED lamp, that means you need to charge your case. So plug it into the charger, wait around half an hour until it's somewhat charged, and then retry a process of a reset. Now, another thing which may cause your earbuds not to reset is that they are out of case. So you need to put them inside of the case. Then just for the sake, close it and open it again. And now to perform a reset, you will need to click and hold this button right here that I'm pressing, and then pay attention to the LED lamps on your earbuds right there. When it starts blinking rapidly, not now, it will happen in around 10 seconds. Like this, and they shut down after. That means our reset is finished.